Hello dear students, welcome to our online course, and in this video we're going to learn present continuous tense.
We use the present continuous for three reasons. The first reason is we use it when we're describing the things that are happening now at this moment. For example, what are you doing? I'm sending a message to Sarah. The second reason is for temporary things that are happening now, this week, etc. For example, my brother is doing a 2-month course in the UK, so he doesn't usually do it, but he's doing it right now. Thus, we're using the present continuous tense to describe this situation. And the third reason is to describe a picture. For example, in this picture, the woman is standing near the window. So, the formula of the present continuous tense is subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. Let us revise it one more time. So, the formula of the present continuous tense is subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. Okay, let us consider the examples. I am jumping. You are jumping. She is jumping. He is jumping. It is jumping. We are jumping. You are jumping. They are jumping. So, out of these examples, we may conclude that we use am with the pronoun I, that we use are with pronouns we, you, they, and that we use is with pronouns he, she, it. So try to memorize that, guys. Okay, in order to make a negative sentence, we have to use the following formula. It is subject plus am is are plus not plus verb plus ing. Let us revise it one more time. It's subject plus am is are plus not plus verb plus ing. Let us consider the examples. So, I am not jumping. You aren't jumping. She isn't jumping. He isn't jumping. It isn't jumping. We aren't jumping. You aren't jumping. They aren't jumping. Out of these examples, we may conclude that we usually contract are and not to aren't, is and not to isn't, but we do not contract am not. So we say I am not jumping, but you aren't jumping, or he isn't jumping. Okay, try to memorize that. So, if we're speaking about questions, we have to use the next formula. Write it please down. It is am is are plus subject plus verb with an ing ending. Let us revise it. The formula of the question in the present continuous tense is am is are plus subject plus verb plus ing ending. But if there is a question word in a question, this word looks like when, how, why, and etc. Then we have to locate this question word right in the beginning of the sentence. So the formula of the question with the question word is question word, then am is are, then subject, then verb with an ing ending. Let us revise it. The formula of the question with the question word is a question word, am is are, subject, verb, and ing ending. Okay, let us look through some examples. Am I jumping? Are you jumping? Is she jumping? Is he jumping? Is it jumping? Are we jumping? Are you jumping? Are they jumping? Okay. So the time expressions of the present continuous tense are now, right now, at the moment. Let us consider the verb plus ing spelling rules. So if we have a regular verb, then we have just to add ing to it. For example, listen plus ing is listening. But if the verb has the ending ie, then we have to change it into y, and right after that we have to add ing. For example, lie, lying. If the verb has the ending e, then we have to put it away. Yeah, just get it out. As in the example, write, writing. You see, there is no e in writing. But if our word has the last three letters in it as consonant, vowel, consonant, then we have to add one more consonant, similar consonant to it before we add ing. So we have to double the last consonant. As in the example, travel plus l plus ing is traveling. Okay, now it's time to practice. So here, guys, you have to make the present continuous tense sentences as in the example. Let's start. Okay, make a sentence. You have 3 seconds. Let's check. I'm studying at the moment. Okay, one more sentence. So make a present continuous sentence out of these words. You have 3 seconds. Let's check. I'm not sleeping. It's a negative sentence. One word, one more sentence. Okay, let's check. We're watching TV. Okay, one more sentence. Make a sentence, a present continuous sentence out of these words. Okay, let's check. He isn't waiting for the bus. One more sentence to make. We have 3 seconds. Okay, let's check. They're reading. Okay. One more group of words. Make a sentence out of these words. Okay, let's check. You're not reading the newspaper. And what about you guys? What are you doing now? For example, I'm printing a text, I'm speaking, I'm recording a video right now, and etc. And what about you? Try to answer this question.
And thank you for your attention. In our next video, we're going to study words related to holidays. See you!